Hi everyone, so today I will open this phone just to see what's going on, what it does have inside. So this is, as it's saying, it's a Poco X7 Pro. So this is from the parent company of Xiaomi. So let's open just to see what it have inside, because sometimes it has some things that let's say covers and stuff like that. So I want to be sure what it does have. So let's take the plastic out, and this is it. Then now let's open it. We just need to pull here the box. So this part, and now let's here taking. So this is the actual phone. So the back part and the front. Let's turn it on just to see. Probably then we need to recharge it. Let's see if it will even turn on at all. So it's turning on, as you can see, and let's see what it will bring here more. So here it just brings the clips to be able to open to put the SIM card, and I think here it has the cable USB with USB 3. So this has here USB 3. This doesn't have the jack, normal jack. So here you will need to connect with some adapter if you want some headphones. So anyway, we will need to set up all of these. We'll check for SIM card and so on, but let's see what it does have more. So this is basically some instructions here as well. Some instructions where to put the cards here on the bottom, and the buttons that it has, the on and off, the sound plus and less, and this is the energy one, and what kind of the battery that takes like 1,000 cycles, maybe more. IP68, it's a category C, I think, in a way to fix it. And about the folds as well, there is some, I can put here some link about this GMS Arena, where I think it's called like that, that you can see all the specifications of the phone. And here it's the cover, so the back cover. So in this case mine, it's a black one that I ordered, but yeah. So here what I will need to order more is these covers to protect, and over here, and no headphones. Sometimes these Poco phones bring headphones, so this one doesn't bring any headphones. So that's it. So basically pretty simple, this one. So basically the phone, the back cover, and the cable for charging, and that's it. So I will need then to set up all of these. So yeah, so I'll set it up and see. So it still has 62% here on the, so no need to recharge right away. As well, you can have here to open if you want to put the SIMs. So you just press it, and then it comes out, and you put both SIMs here in one side and then in the other. So that's it. Hopefully this helps someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.